Hello, welcome back home, master, sit next to me now. Ready to say the phrase, go, moi, 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 moi. Who in the world finds this thing entertaining though? Hey, show me okay, with your smile up, poo, poo. Thanks for your hard work, for getting to be polite. Just you and me today, go, love, 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 love. Who in the world finds this thing entertaining though? Hey, show me okay, with your smile up, poo, poo. Glittering, glittering, a lovely girl. Daintily, cutting like a saw. That means in other words, a cold-hearted girl, but with emotions real and a smile up, woo, woo. People are not always the way that they appear, unable to tell when a lie is far from real. With crafty sleeves and leather hands that brush the skin, shivers and bumps, shaking in the entourage. Thanks for giving me this mistaken domination. Just you and me today, go, love, 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 love. This is a thank you for your hard work after all. Let's go play a game with a smile up, bruh, bruh. Glittering, glittering, where did we go? Daintily, simply let me show. That means in other words, a cold-hearted girl, but with emotions real and a smile up, real, real. The cigarette bell starts to sing a song in this never-ending world we reside in. The suffering children cry, the empty lost children sigh. Let them fall asleep. A game of pretend, let's go play again with a smile up, ooh, ooh. Glittering, glittering, a lovely girl. Daintily, cutting like a saw. That means in other words, a cold-hearted girl, but with emotions real and a smile up, ooh, ooh. Let's go play a game with a smile up, ooh, ooh. Up, ooh, ooh.